Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the arc length. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate the arc length, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So first the derivative of s to the power of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2 s to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. We simplify and we have 1 over 2 s to the power of 1 over 2. Now we apply the formula to find the arc length. So we have the integral. We have number 4, we put in here. We have number 8, we put in here. And we have the square root, and we have 1 plus first the derivative of the function to the power of 2 ds. So we put this one go in here, and this one we have 1 over 4 s. The integration of this one, we know that the square root, that is about 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 plus 1 over 4s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1. Because we still have coefficient next to s, so we put 1 over 4 and the power in here. Now we put the bounds from number 4 to number 8. And now we put number 8 in here and number 4 in here. We calculate about this one and we got the final answer, and we got about 6.314, and this is the final answer we need to find in here. And this is the final answer if we want to find exact. If we want to round up, should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.